Hello, happy weekends, and happy Eid Day to all mga Arabian and Muslims people that they are celebrating. And this, I think it's 1 week Eid, happy Eid and happy Eid and happy Eid. And thank you again. Thank you for giving a time, giving an effort, or napansin ninyo kahit papaano yung live ko. That you are still watching and I having views and this. Yay! Thank you. Thank you very much talaga that you me subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much and thank you so much. Thank you very much. That one is from Night. I just make at 8:30 yata yun. Kasi nga I'm alone. So, and I finish already. I'm just finish the major cleaning of my daily routine and daily work as OFW. So that's what I do. And that is my style na lang now. And I'm just making close of my video about the the live, because I'm just always repeating of my background. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you very much, and God bless us all, more blessings sa all of us na nag-support talaga. Okay, so thank you. All subscriber, all not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. Thank you very much talaga. That you are still helping in my channel, in my beginning growing up channel, that what I have. And thank you. And you know who you are, wherever you are, whatever you do, and in your own individual channel that you have, that you are still helping to me from the beginning, from the 1 subscriber I have until now. How many I have? Thank you. Sorry. I'm just say thank you talaga. And God knows only provide everything, whatever you need, because I can't, as of what I'm telling. It not means to say that I forgot to you. I always scroll and check, looking of your individual subscriber, that what I have. But I can't do already to watch in your individual videos, because it's how many I have is more than 1,600 plus, like that one. So I can't know to use my especially the one that they are already. One of them is there is no mga videos. They just have their account. But some of this also that we have, they have their videos. I can't individual na talaga. I can't accept that the time, the what's that? Management of my time, because I have already talaga the fulfilled time of my work. So, and I can't use another gadgets that I can stay only to continue watch, to continue on to watch to the different videos. But I can't, because I have no yet. Maybe someday, somehow. Kung sa Tagalog pa, kung sa mga kasabihan pa ng mga Pilipinos, bilog ang mundo. So maybe someday, somehow, I don't think so. Basta I'm just wishing that there is a differentiate someday development of my beginning, my beginner na channel that what I have now. Okay, so thank you, thank you, thank you very much, and always there are even huwag kayong magsawa. Don't make it boring if you are watching, if you are just make yourself to watch different, not like yeah, of course I know that every videos that we are watching, it's not the same, so at least that you can express what you feel, you can relax, and especially your mind talaga, because sometimes our mind is very very busy na as in. So thank you, and this one is the halawani. The halawani, one of this one is mga sweets. Mostly talaga sa mga shop, sa pastries, mga sweets, mga bakery. Oh. So this one is made by Baghdad, here in Baghdad in Iraq. Okay, so that is Madam, she buy this one. Okay, so once again, thank you. As of what I'm telling, generalize na yan, kumbaga, ang pag-shout out to all of them, to all my subscriber, not subscriber, to all viewers, not viewers, to all supporters, not supporters, worldwide, sa different nation, different countries, to the different people, that what we are, and what we are, that we are still living in this earth. Keep safe lagi. God bless, provide everything, and thank you for our unconditional health that what we have. Okay? And to my all families, thank you also that you are still supported in my journey, and that what I have now, my partner, this is already my journey partner, that what I have my social media, I enter in my social media. Thank you, and Brad, good luck kung ano yung mga plano mo, kung ano yung mga para sa pamilya, sa sariling pamilya mo. So good luck with my sister-in-law. Blessings, more blessing sa mga anak ninyo lahat. And God provide everything. And to my late brother, younger brother, that I have, Anis, and my sister-in-laws also, and the children. Laban lang, day. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi God knows everything sa individual life natin. Kaya ganun talaga siguro ang buhay. So mga trials, mga pagsubok sa mga cousins ko, mga relatives, mga aunties, uncle, basta angkan to angkan na yan, sa butays na yan, sa nanay side at tatay side ko. Just pray. Kasi lahat kung anong meron tayo, yan ay galing ng Panginoon. Kaya kailangan be careful. Be careful the way you talk. Be careful to make a decision by yourself or for your own family, and especially to your brother and sister, and to your hindi pwedeng meron kayong mga special na pagbigyan lang ng kung baga i-open-minded yung heart nyo, at especially yung feelings nyo, na lagi ninyong tandaan kung anong meron kayo, hindi yan tama, galing sa sipag ninyo, dahil sa pagtiyaga, dahil sa ginagawa ninyo effort, ganito ganon, but be careful your mouth. Okay, be careful your mouth talaga. Kasi nga, ang nalalaman yan, God knows what we are talking, what we are doing, everything of our life. Because God knows the only one that He provide, and He is giving everything what we have. And especially na blessings, ganun. Basta, yun na lang yung maisabi ko sa inyo. Kaya thank you very much. And happy weekends, happy Eid day, and happy fellowship, happy alumni, happy grand, reunion, and happy fiesta, ang tubo sa buong mundo kung anong meron. Thank you very much and bye. God bless us all.